Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make like a little heart bauble shaker embellishment. So I have these cute little heart baubles and this video is going to be inspired by Sweet Crafty Girl. She created some of these and then I had to go out and get some myself. So I am making one because I am including it with a challenge I'm entering. So I just thought I would film a video. It's my first time making one, so hopefully this will be fun, and yeah, I won't know what I'm going to be doing, but we're going to make one anyway. So I have everything out that I want to use, just some 110-pound cardstock. I think this is the paper I'm going to use for the background. It's like a scrap now at this point. So, I mean, it's a big scrap, but I'm just going to be using a piece of it for the background. I'm going to be using La La Love, these cardstock stickers, chipboard stickers, sorry. I started using this yesterday and I want to use up some more of this. And then I have these little circle glitter things to include, some sequins, and possibly some of these that we could include in our little shaker. And then I have some ribbon, and maybe we'll need some like tulle and twine or something. And yeah, so we're gonna get started on making these goodies. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is just trace the outside of this. You know what, actually I don't even need to trace this. I'm just gonna cut out a piece because we're gonna cut this down later anyway. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with this. I actually think this might be big enough, this little piece right here. See? Good to hold on to your scraps. I mean, yes, this was a big scrap, so why would you throw this out? But still, you know what I'm saying? Right now, what I need to do is just glue this on to here. I don't think I'm gonna glue. Maybe we'll use double-sided tape. So I have this Tombow tape roller, and that's what we're gonna use. So yeah, I'm just adding this on because I want my the back to be sturdy. I'm gonna draw kind of like an outline so I see what I'm working with. Okay, there's my heart, and we're gonna start embellishing that right now. Okay, I have my chipboard stickers out right here, and let's see. Let me see what else I have in here. This is just like my little embellishment thing. All my little Valentine's Day stuff that I cut out. Some that I have die cut myself. Ooh, nice little gold one. This one just says Be Mine. Maybe we need one up here. This one says XOXO. cute. Adds a little something. I think we're gonna place that down, guys. Should I take a picture of this just so I don't forget? I like to do that sometimes once I have something that I like. Just take a picture. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna take all these off. I know I want this here, so I'm gonna make sure that's stuck on there. But you also wanna make sure your little bits aren't gonna get caught on the sequin. So like any chipboard that's sticking out, you either want to put some powder on, or you could just rip this off actually. Maybe I'll just do that. So you take off this layer, the sticky layer of the chipboard. Okay, and now it's not sticky anymore. Okay, so I am gonna glue it back on there because we do want this here. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. Here's an up close for you guys, and this is what it's gonna look like inside the bauble. How adorable! Guys, it's looking so cute in there. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, now we need to add in like our sequins and stuff, but first we are gonna start gluing this down and then cutting around the edges and cutting this out. But we want to glue it down first. Oh, and I'm like right just within the frame, which is so great. Okay, super adorable, guys. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, we're gonna start gluing down this outside. I'm just gonna put some glue, I guess, right here around the edges, because I know I could just put down my heart and the rest will stick on later, but I know that it's a good fit. Okay guys, I have all my bits and pieces in here. The next thing I'm gonna do is just make sure everything is literally just stuck down. So I'm gonna go in with my hot glue gun, and yeah, some sequins like started coming out because obviously it's not stuck down. So you want to make sure to go around all of these edges and really make sure it's gonna get stuck down. It's okay if the outside's messy because we're gonna add some trim. Oh, but this is looking so cute, guys. Hold on, I think there's a piece here. I need some more glue. Now that this is stuck down, for what I think is stuck down, we are going to just cut the edges off. Take your time on this. There's glue everywhere. It's gonna be hard to cut around. If there's an easier way of doing this, let me know, but I'm just following Sweet Crafty Girl's tutorial of how she did it and how she like glued the bits and pieces inside. So that's what I'm doing because I have no idea of how else to do this anyway. Okay guys, now that we have our adorable little shaker, I'm going to attach some trim. I have this pom-pom trim here. And should we go this way? No, we're going to attach it this way. All right, I'm actually going to put my mat back because I don't want to get hot glue on me, or on my desk rather. Not on me. What am I saying? So I'm going to add this trim. We'll start here, I guess. Just like that. Look how cute, guys. Oh, it's looking so cute. Okay, now we're going to add some trim. All right, guys, I'm gonna add in some ribbon. I don't know if this is gonna fit through the hole, but we are gonna try. Okay. All right, that's too big. So we're gonna attach maybe, okay, I'm attaching some of this instead then, because the other one does not fit, guys. This one's gonna be a struggle too. The hole's so teeny. Okay, guys, that was a challenge. Making like a little dangly thingy. That is our little top right there. So now it could dangle on something. So Sweet Crafty Girl also added in some tulle over here, like a ribbon. I'm also gonna add in, oh, I like the cupcakes because it says you're very, oh no, I love you so very much. So maybe we'll use this other one. I'm trying to also use up my trims and stuff. Not all of them. Some of them I have to just restock, but like these Dollar Tree ones, they're fairly small and they're only good for like one-time use project because you don't get a lot of these at all. Like that's all that you get. So I'm gonna attach some of this, and I think we're just gonna make it into a bow, but we're also gonna attach a tulle bow. So I'm gonna cut some tulle. I don't know how she did this. I don't remember. I don't know how she made a bow. So we're just gonna wing it. Okay, and I'm actually gonna attach this. I think I want to put some like hot glue on there just because I want it to stay. I don't want my bow to unravel. And then we have the tulle, which I still don't know how this works. Look, guys, here is our finished little shaker. You have the little hangy string, you have some ribbon and some tulle, and it shakes. I also added in a little bit of glitter inside, so if you see some sparkly bits on top, that's why. I just used like this glitter from AliExpress. There's like some fine pieces and like a mix of sizes and stuff, so I added in a little bit of that. I don't have too many of these gold little ball things. I didn't like a lot, so I ended up taking some out during my process. And I have sequins. But it's so cute, guys. Oh, I'm loving it. Here's a super up close of all the details. Trying to show you guys without the glare, but obviously there's going to be one. But it's so pretty. And it shakes. Shake, shake, shake. So cute, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little process video of how I made this little shaker. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you guys do end up giving it a try. I would love to see your projects you create with it. And I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.